Hello and welcome to ENGLIO. Today we are going to learn 25 common English homonyms, words that have same spellings but different meanings. So let's get started. Lesson number 8, word number 1. Bank. It means a place where people keep money. The second use of the side of a river. Word number 2. Bat. It means a flying animal. The second use of bat is a cricket bat that is used to playing cricket. Word number 3. Bark. It means the sound a dog makes. The second use of bark is the outer covering of a tree. Word number 4. Light. It means brightness. The second use of light is not heavy. Word number 5. Watch. It means a wristwatch. The second use of watch is to look at something with your eyes. Word number 6. Ring. It means a finger ring. The second use of ring is the sound of a phone or bell. Word number 7. Book. It means a book for reading. The second use of book is to reserve your seat or to book your seat. Word number 8. Match. It means a sports game. The second use of match is a stick used to make fire. Word number 9. Park. It means a public garden. The second use of park is to stop a vehicle or to stop your car, or you can say to park your car. Word number 10. Nail. It means fingernail. The second use of nail is a metal nail. Word number 11. Well. It means healthy. The second use of well is a water well. Guys, you can see it has same spellings but have different meanings. Word number 12. Wave. It means a sea wave. The second use of wave is to move your hand. Word number 13. Bear. It means a wild animal. The second use of bear is to tolerate or carry. Word number 14. Fly. It means an insect. The second use of fly is to travel through the air when you travel through aeroplane. Word number 15. Can. It means to be able to. The second use of can is a metal container. Word number 16. Jam. It means fruit jam that we eat. The second use of jam is traffic jam. Word number 17. Duck. It means a bird. The second use of duck is to lower your head quickly. Word number 18. Letter. It means a written message. The second use of letter is an alphabet character like A, B, C. Word number 19. Right. It means correct. The second use of right is opposite of left. Left, right. Right, left. Word number 20. Left. It means opposite of right. The second use of left is past tense of leave. Word number 21. Train. It means a railway vehicle. The second use of train is to teach or practice. To teach someone, to train someone. Word number 22. Orange. It means a fruit that we eat. The second use of orange is a color. Orange color. Word number 23. Point. It means a sharp end. The second use of point is to indicate. Word number 24. Address. It means the location of a house. The second use of address is to speak to someone. Word number 25. Date. It means a day on the calendar. The second use of date is a sweet fruit. By the way, date is my favorite fruit. What is your favorite? Tell me in the comment box. So guys, keep practicing these homonyms words every day to improve your English. So if you have any question, any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment box. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.